Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for April the 28th, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. In our top news story, Sanofi publicly disclosed an offer to buy Medivation for around $9.3 billion as it looks to rebuild its position in oncology. Sanofi CEO Olivier Brandicourt noted that it detailed its proposal to Medivation on April the 15th, but has not had a response. Also in the news, AbbVie agreed to acquire cancer drug developer Stemcentrx under a cash and stock deal worth about $5.8 billion. The transaction will give AbbVie the experimental drug rovalpituzumab tesirine, which is currently in registrational trials for small cell lung cancer. In other news, Bristol-Myers Squibb's first quarter sales rose 9% to $4.4 billion, besting analyst estimates of $4.3 billion. Sales of Opdivo reached $704 million versus $40 million in the year-ago period, while revenue from Eliquis hit $734 million, up from $355 million. In addition, the US Department of Justice confirmed Pfizer's settlement to resolve claims that its Wyeth unit intentionally reported false and fraudulent prices for Protonix. U.S. Attorney for the District of Massachusetts, Carmen Ortiz, remarked, "This significant settlement illustrates that the government will not permit drug companies to dodge their obligations to Medicaid." And finally, sources suggested that 5 of Valeant Pharmaceuticals' long-standing directors have agreed to step down as part of an overhaul of the company's board. People indicated that 4 new directors have been lined up to join the board, with the candidates said to draw heavily from traditional pharmaceutical companies. To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.